Friends of the American Library in Nancy. I'm Rosamund Sather, Treasurer of the Association, for those of you who don't know me. For those of you who do know me, hello. This year, the Friends of the American Library in Nancy will be celebrating our 50th anniversary. We will have several events that we'll be celebrating later on in October. However, right now I'd like to tell you about one way that you can already start to celebrate. We will be compiling a 50th anniversary commemorative cookbook, much like this one here. The idea of a commemorative cookbook in the US is quite a thing. Usually an organization or an association will have their members submit their favorite recipes, which could be family favorites, or it could be someone else's recipe that you just happen to make it all the time, your favorite recipes. Submit your recipe with your name, and all of these recipes will be included in our commemorative cookbook. The cookbook will be both in English and French. The French version will be on one page in the metric system, and on the facing page, the same recipe will be in English in the imperial system. So please submit your recipes. On our website, we have a special page dedicated to just this project. You can also find a link below in the video. Additionally, because this is a 50th anniversary commemorative cookbook, we're also looking for old photos, historical tidbits, stories about the association to be included in the library. Because this is a 50th commemorative cookbook, and it's not just about the recipes, but it's about the history of our association. Later in October, when we're actually celebrating the 50th anniversary, one of those events will be a potluck, similar to the way we do Thanksgiving. It'll be at the library where all of our members can bring their special recipes that they included in the cookbook, and we will share the dishes that everyone has submitted to the cookbook. We're very excited to see what you're going to submit to the cookbook. We're excited about this project that we'll be working on together and hope to see you at the potluck. Bye.